Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back. I'm Jeannie and you're going to want to stop scrolling because I'm about to show you the nail hack you didn't know you needed. Forget about buying expensive chrome powders. Today I'm revealing how to turn your regular dip powder into a stunning chrome finish without any extra products. If you love saving money and getting salon quality nails at home, you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, your nails will be shining. I'm going to be using the CN Designer Dips November flavor of the month. This is the La Vida Mocha collection. It's absolutely stunning. And for the month, these are part of the flavor of the month. They are all 50% off, whether you buy one or the whole bundle. The flavor of the months are always a mixture of existing mainline colors as well as new colors that were created for the collection. And the flavor of the months are really great because they're so well curated that they take the guesswork out of creating a mani. And CN Designer Dips has some of my favorite shimmers ever because they are really heavy shimmers, one coat coverage, and not all, but most of them are chromable. So you can see here when I put it on my skin, you can see that sheen. That's how you know whether a shimmer is chromable or not. So I'm starting with Eggnog. I'm not going to chrome this one because there is another shimmer in here that is chromable that we will be chroming with. But I'm going to start with my lightest color first. I am using my CN Designer Dips dip liquids as well. So starting with my dip base, this is my glue, which is what my dip powder is going to adhere to. So I'm just removing most of the dip base from the brush. I don't want too much liquid on my brush because that could flood my cuticles. And for my middle finger, that's what's going to have Eggnog. I'm applying a thin, even layer of that dip base to my entire nail. I'm being really careful, trying not to get any product on my skin. This is a new bottle of dip base though, so usually with the newer bottles you get more liquid, so you have to be really careful with that liquid control. Once I have that liquid on, I'm going to go ahead and dip my finger into Eggnog, tapping off the excess powder. And then I want to use my precision tool to make sure that I clean up around my cuticle area and sidewalls to remove any excess product because that can cause lifting. I'm going to keep it simple today, let you watch me dip, and then I'll hop back on when we get to the chrome part. went ahead and capped my nails in clear, activated and filed and buffed off camera. So here's how my mani's looking. And so now we're going to get into the chrome. So in order to chrome, I am going to be using gel. So I've got my CN Designer Dips gel base and gel top coat. I start with the gel base first because my dip powder nails are buffed smooth. And so the gel top coat needs something tacky to adhere to, or else it would just peel right off. So I'm going to be starting with a layer of gel base first. And since I'm using gels for this mani, I'm going to go ahead and gel top coat all my nails rather than mixing up my dip top coat with my gel top coat. So starting with a layer of gel base first, I would like to do my thumbs separately. So I'm going to apply a thin, even layer of gel base to my thumb. After I've got that on my thumb, I'm going to flash cure it for about 10 to 15 seconds just to freeze it in place. And then I'll put gel base on the rest of my nails and then cure my hand in my lamp for 60 seconds. After that's fully cured, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my gel top coat, and I'm going to do all my nails at once just to save a little bit of time. The one thing I'll say about working with chrome, if you're not as familiar with chrome, is chrome will show off any imperfection. So if you have any lumps or bumps, chrome will highlight it. So you need to make sure that your nails are as smooth and even as possible. So when I filed and buffed, I made sure that I did some extra buffing on my thumb and pinky because those are the two nails that are getting chrome, because I want my nails to look as flawless as possible. So I'm going ahead, applying a thin, even layer of that gel top coat to all my nails. I cap my free edge first because when you cap your free edge, sometimes some gel will get on the surface of your nail, creating a little bit of a ledge. So once I do the surface of my nail with that gel top coat, that smooths out that ledge, because like I talked about, if I leave that ledge, the chrome is going to highlight it once I chrome on top. So I want to make sure that I'm smoothing that out. And then once I finish getting the gel top coat on all my nails, just to make sure everything is extremely level, I'm going to flip my hand upside down for about 10 to 15 seconds just to help that gel top coat level out even more. And then once that's level, I'm going to flash cure. 15 to 20 seconds in my lamp is all I need. If you over cure your gel top coat, the chrome won't stick to it. So once I've got that flash cured, I'm just going to go ahead and dip my hand back into the iced macchiato. And then I'm taking this blender sponge. It's just a makeup sponge. And I'm going to start rubbing in that dip powder. And you can see it starts chroming. That shimmer in the dip powder chromes over so beautifully. So you can see there aren't any lumps or bumps. So it just looks really smooth and flawless for that really beautiful like chrome sheen. So the same thing with my pinky. I'm going to dip that into my dip powder. You don't have to dip in your dip powder. I just find it quicker. You could also just dip your sponge into the powder and then rub it on your finger, but make sure that you rub it in really well. I don't like to use my bare hands because this is only half, not even half cured gel. So it's not fully cured gel. So I don't want to touch it with my bare hands. So I'm just going to make sure that I rub it in really well. At this point, it's only that 15-20 second cure. So I'm going to dust off any of the excess chrome powder, fully cure it the rest of the way. And then I need to protect my chrome, because if you don't top coat your chrome, it's just going to rub right off. You need to seal it in. So I'm going in, capping my free edge again with that gel top coat. And then I will apply the top coat to the surface of my nail. And it does help to dust off the excess chrome powder first, or else you can contaminate your gel top coat with like those little chrome particles. So that's why you saw me do that. So once I top coat my nails, I'm going to cure them for a full 60 seconds, but I'm only top coating my pinky and my thumb because those are the ones that have chrome. The other nails are already top coated. And as always, I'm going to finish off my mani by rehydrating my cuticles with my Scales of a Mermaid Cuticle Balm. This is in the scent That's It, I'm Not Going. This is a previous limited edition scent that's available in the vault again through November 26th, I believe is the date. If you're interested in this, make sure you grab it before then, because this is the last time it's going to be offered, because some of the ingredients are no longer available, which makes me super sad. So of course I had to buy it in the balm and the rollerball cuticle oil because I never want to run out of it. It has notes of like fir and pine needle with some berry notes to it. So it's just a really great like fall wintry type scent, and it's also ultra nourishing. So anyway, that pretty much wraps up today's video, and I'm usually not a big fan of browns, but I absolutely love this flavor of the month. I think the colors are so fun. I love the theme. I did notice there was some wrinkling in my gel top coat in my index finger. So after I filmed this, I actually buffed it and reapplied my gel top coat. I probably did it a little bit too thick, which caused the wrinkling. So I hope this video is helpful and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up. It lets me know to continue creating content like this, and it also helps YouTube recommend me to others, which helps grow my channel. Also, if you found this helpful, there's also the new like hype functionality, which supposedly helps the algorithm push my videos to others. So if it was helpful, if you wouldn't mind hyping this video, I'd appreciate that as well. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I upload content every Monday and Thursday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.